In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Fresha in just about 5 minutes. If you've been trying to get a better view of your Fresha dashboard, or simply adjust the screen to better fit your display preferences, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you can navigate your Fresha account with ease and adjust the view to your liking. Starting off, let's head over to the Fresha website specifically tailored for businesses. Fresha offers a comprehensive platform for professionals in the beauty and wellness industry, allowing for appointment scheduling, client management, and more. It's an integral tool for business owners, and mastering its functionalities, including adjusting the display settings, can significantly streamline your daily operations. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your professional account, where you can manage appointments, view client details, and customize your settings. After clicking on Login, you will see an option that says Fresha for Professionals. Click on this to proceed. It's important to select the correct option to ensure that you're navigating to the professional side of the platform, where you can access all the tools needed to manage your business effectively. Next, you will be prompted to continue with Google. This is a convenient feature that allows you to log in using your Google account, making the process smoother and faster. If your Fresha account is linked to a Google account, simply choose this option for easy access. Following that, choose your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that is associated with your Fresha dashboard. This step is crucial for ensuring that you're logging into the right account and accessing your business information on Fresha. Now that you're logged in, it's time to zoom out and adjust your dashboard view. Head over to the Fresha partner account by either clicking on the link provided in our guide or navigating there directly from your account homepage. The partner account is where you'll find all the necessary tools and settings to manage your business effectively on Fresha. To zoom out, simply press the Control key or Command on Mac and the lower key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will zoom out the display, allowing you to see more of your dashboard at once. It's a quick and easy way to adjust the view to suit your needs or preferences. It's worth mentioning that you can also zoom in and out of your dashboard using the Google Chrome settings. This can be particularly helpful if you're using a different browser or prefer adjusting the display settings through the browser itself. This method provides an alternative way to control the visibility and sizing of your Fresha dashboard, ensuring you can comfortably navigate and manage your account. In summary, starting from logging into your Fresha for Professionals account to zooming out to get a better view of your dashboard, these steps are designed to make your experience on Fresha as smooth and comfortable as possible. Remember, mastering these basic navigational features not only helps in improving your efficiency, but also enhances the way you interact with the platform. And with these simple adjustments to your viewing preferences, you can ensure that your Fresha dashboard fits your screen just right, making your daily business management tasks a little bit easier to handle. Whether you're scheduling appointments, managing client information, or setting up promotions, being able to adjust your screen view is a small but significant step towards optimizing your use of the Fresha platform. And there you have it, a simple guide to zooming out on Fresha, making your professional life a touch more manageable and a lot more comfortable. Remember, a well-adjusted screen could be the key to a more efficient and enjoyable working experience on Fresha. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how a small change can make a big difference in your daily business operations.